Experiencing voicemail problems on Total Wireless? It's a common issue, often stemming from PIN errors, app glitches, or incorrect carrier settings. First, try resetting your voicemail PIN by calling 611 and following the prompts. This is the most frequent fix, resolving about 65% of voicemail issues. Next, ensure your Total Wireless app is up to date to version 5.2.1 or later. The app now includes visual voicemail, allowing you to manage messages without dialing in. Finally, if problems persist, check your phone's APN settings and confirm they are set to Total Wireless. In summary, reset PIN via 611, update app, and verify APN settings. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your voicemail issues, try these advanced fixes. First, clear the Total Wireless app's cache and data to remove any corrupted files that might be causing problems. Next, try reinstalling the Total Wireless app. This can fix persistent glitches by ensuring you have the latest version with all necessary permissions. If issues began after a recent operating system update, search online forums for device-specific solutions. Many users find fixes tailored to their phone model this way. Looking ahead, voicemail technology is evolving rapidly. By 2026, expect AI-powered assistants that automatically transcribe messages and filter out spam, making voicemail more efficient and secure. Security is also improving with end-to-end encryption, which protects your voicemails from unauthorized access and reduces the risks associated with PIN-based systems. If all advanced fixes fail, contact Total Wireless customer support for personalized help. Hardware or network issues may require their expert assistance. Finally, always check Total Wireless's official website for the most up-to-date solutions and troubleshooting guides.